it's me. I have a sore neck. I hurt my neck because I'm terrible at posture and just being a human. Today, I'm going to talk about the fact that you have to take care of your spine, your neck, your back, your hands as well, your wrists, your shoulders. There are things that you're going to need to learn if you're going to be an artist in the long term. I think the reason my neck is so screwed, I pulled it, I did something. I also know that I sat over the drawing board for way too long, hanging my head over the top of my body, and my head is an anvil of a thing. It's very, very bad for you. So I'm going to share some of the mistakes I made so that you can avoid them. And yeah, hopefully this helps. I drew some exercises that you can do. I also have a book recommendation by Creota Wilberg called Draw Stronger, which I highly recommend. And yeah, just some information that you're probably going to need to know if you want to be an artist. Every cartoonist I know has the same complaints about their back and their neck and their hands and their wrists and their shoulders. They have shoulder surgeries. It's a thing. I wrote about it. As always, thank you for subscribing, and please hit all of the things, this like and all that bullshit. But I'll see you next time on Process Junkie.